Hello, you opened the video what is made for Valga County Vocational Training Center students, LG group. This is e-learning model 1 with name, inquiry and web page. So with this e-learning lesson, we have two goals. First, we need to make inquiry using Google Forms. So for example, your customer make a request of services you provide, how much it will be cost. So for this, he needs a special form. And second is a simple web page, very similar to portfolio you made before. In this web page, we will embed or we will put in this inquiry. So it's not difficult, just watch this tutorial and make everything step by step. Sometimes you can put to a pause and do something more, and continue maybe later. So you're welcome. If you have any question, do not hesitate to write me or contact me here in the school. So just relax and enjoy your e-learning. So this will be the final results of this e-module lessons. So all together 1 hour and a half. As you can see, it will be very simple web page, but in down of this page, there will be introduction of the team, introduction of the trucks, location of the map, but this is very important. So integrated or embedded inquiry that clients can make already here. So, but this is the last step we will do. So first step, what we need to do this inquiry using Google Forms. And in this inquiry is very important that actually this picture is not needed, because if you pay attention, when you will embed it to the web page, it will not be seen. So in inquiry, you must thank customer that they chosen you from the big, huge business companies. So, and very important information, so how quickly you will answer. So I will understand when they need to wait your response. After that, very important information that what is it? Is it inquiry? Are they just interested, or are they already ready to pay for and order your services? So we need a name in the company, a phone name, an email, because we need to know how we will take connection with them. So we need to know the date when we can loading the goods and the place where we will do it, and of course unloading. So expected day when they want to have it, and so the place too, and the units. So the quantity, and maybe they have some additional descriptions. For example, if it will be some dangerous goods or something like that. And after that, again, we thank them. If you pay attention, some of them here are marked with the red dot. It means that they are needed. This is very necessary to answer. So if some of them are not marked, it means that they can leave it empty and go on. But this one must be done. So this is our idea right now. And if you go to your Gmail school account, just open right now Gmail. So in the right upper corner, there is your name and maybe even your picture. You have 9 dots, what means application. So this is application that are similar to Word, Excel, to PowerPoint, but they are in the cloud. So this is online services. And one here is look like this with a violet color. Don't pay attention if you use another language, it's not so important. Look right now to the icons. So you need the icon like that. So, and just open it. If you were using Google Forms before, so some of them will be here. Or for example, someone sent to you and you open, they will be here. But if it's the first time, it will be empty. So let's start with a plus button. And now first step, just think what's your company name is. You can use your own name, you can use something mixed, so you're welcome. So I will put like an example, 2 roads, 2, so you must fix it very quickly, 2 on roads. And we need to write here the sentences, so thank you and how quickly we will answer. So now here we will write possibility to choose. Is it order or is it inquiry? So we'll write here. So do you want or you would like to have an inquiry or an order? So, and the type of this question is look like this. So they can choose. So pick up. So one or another. So the new question is coming with a plus button. So here, now we would like to have a name or company name. And this will be automatically Google thinks that maybe the name, it's not the choose. So it will be the line to make a text. And this is exactly what we need. So if you will push here, you have many choices. So you need to right now choose this one. The difference between this and this. So here's will be the short answers. And here's for the big, for example, for CVs and so on. So let's go on, and you can decide if it will be the question they must answer, necessary question. You must put this tick here and make this active. So it means that they must put name and go on. If you think that name is not so important for you, you can leave it them to decide. Would like that one put or not. So with plus, now we would like to have the email. And let it be again a short answer, but this is necessary because if I have a question, I would like to have connection with a phone number. This will be again short answer, and I need this. And now we would like to put the date, loading and unloading date. So two dates are very important for you. So, and when you put the name date, so worms automatically think that this will be the calendar. So, but if you open, if it does not work, so to last is the date and the time. So you can play with them. So do you need only the date, or next time maybe you need the time as well. So, and this will be again needed. So I hope you understand the logics. So every new you will put with a plus, and you must decide. Will be the choose option, will be the short answer, or is it the date and the time? So Google Worms have many other possibilities, but we will do it in our normal classes at the computer class. So now you have an example of this inquiry. I will put it to the school lobby. So just open it and do to the end. I will speak a little bit how you will see right now the result. So if you put here for the preview, you will see how your customers will see it. And there is one not good option because you are right now our student. So that automatically Google Worms want email. But let's fix it. So it will be here, settings. Look up, there is 3 options. So questions. So here's will be the answers. So when customers began to fill it, you will have here the summary possibility, and you can watch client step by step, one by one. And we need this one, settings. And if you will open this one in the center, so the first block, and in the center, answers, you can use it in your mother language, so it's no problem. And here's collect e-post, we said not collect. And here, let answer only Valga County Vacation Center. Let admit it that others can be too. And here, if, for example, if it is very important query, you can put that person can fill it only one time. Right now, it's not so important, but it's important when there's, for example, voting or something like this. Okay, so you can change the hue of this worm by using other colors here down, or you can even put the picture. So for example, let it be the blue one. So, and the picture right now you can put, but it will not be worked in the web page. So, for example, right now, if I will choose some of the pictures here and push the blue button, this is very easy to understand. The right answer always will be blue button. So, just wait a little bit. It's look like right now very interesting, but the colors change with the design of this picture. But when you will put it to the web page, this picture will not be seen there. So it's not so important. So I will see the result here for you. So this is our web page. So, and as you can see, picture is not here. So, so we have done our first goal. Form or inquiry are ready. So I can send it using this button to my customer, write them here email, and I can put it inside the email, or I can use a link and send it, or put it to the web page, or put it to the Facebook, or I can use a HTML code. Right now we will not need it because our web page is Google Sites, so Google and Google, they are friends together. It will be working automatically, but if your web page in Weebly, in WordPress, this is place what you will be needed. So the form or inquiry is done. You will push the send button. You need the last one, this kind of brackets, and you need to copy it. And in your web page tools, you will have the same button. You will open it and paste it, but you don't need it right now. So I'm just showing it for the future. So now our second step. Now let's go again back to our Gmail account. So we push here, and next time you done inquiry, you will find again here. So, but now we are going on. So our second goal is the web page. For web page, you will have sided or web page, and the button is look like the dark blue. So just open it. And again, if it will be the first time you are using, here's empty, but you must do portfolio. We have done it this last lesson, so I hope your portfolio is here. If no, please do it in some day. So now we will make a new web page. So new web page only for this e-model lesson. Let's push the plus. So we will put here the same name I was using there on inquiry. So my company name. I will change the picture. So I have two possibilities. I push here, there is a picture, and I can put from my computer. Maybe you have some good pictures, or you can choose. So we will have a lesson about the usage right when we will speak about the pictures you can use or you cannot use. So, but right now just take from here. So don't take from the internet, because we will speak about the usage rights. You don't know it right now. Okay, for example, I like this. So now we need to put all elements from here. So we will need to have a text, and here just write a small sentences about this company. Just use your imagination, write some good story. So it could be when you started, what is your goals, and so on. So next we will put the heading, our team, and we will add, so you can make all this text bigger with our color and so on. So we will add this block, that is the 3 persons who is working in this company. So just again use your imagination, put here some name 1, name 2. So put their position here, so this is manager, and so on. I will show you the web page I showed you before. So some names and some positions. And now we will need again the pictures here in this box. So how we will do it? Just put the plus and use this, the second one. Look for the icon, this one. And we will use Google Images. And we will put here the name, manager. And pay attention why I'm doing like this, because Google right now will filter it with these pictures what I'm allowed to use with no usage rights, or with rights what allowed to use it for public and for reboot and for commercial use. For example, manager, sorry, and find some of the picture you like and just put there. For example, I like this, I put in, so, and put others here. So next one, it will be again text, and it will be our trucks. So, and again, use your imagination, think which trucks you have. So you're welcome here, put very, very modern ones. And again, so for example, it will be Volvo and Scania. And the picture, again, second. And here put the word trucks, trucks. So this one is in the middle, Google Images, and we will use truck. And again, this is all the pictures what are on the right lessons of using pictures, but we will speak about it a little bit later in our class. So just put it, do to the end. So next step, we need location at the map. So just using this part of the tools and scroll down. So here you will have a calendar, a location in the card. So let's use location in the card. Use your imagination. Where are you? In Australia, in United States, in Georgia, in Albania, in Ukraine. So you're welcome. So I will use Valga. Volga 3. I will choose it. So you must fix it. Yeah, that's okay. And again, blue button. So right answers are always with blue button. So done. So, and the next one here, I will show you again the idea of our done web page. So here will be this inquiry we have done before in Google Forms. So, and it will be here, and I don't know in your mother language, but it will be here in English Forms, Estonian Vormit, but it's the icon like this. Pay attention, like a bullets here. So I will use this. Here, Google will show me all worms I have done before. So I remember I wanted this. So I will put it in, and it's done. Perfect. One problem, that this web page don't exist. So if here with inquiry you didn't need to save was automatically, but here this web page don't exist right now, so we must publish it. So push the button here, publish, Avalda, publish, put the name. So I will put the same, for example, as I have on my name. Okay, now it's done. And if I would like to see how the persons or how the customers will see it, so I will push this button, I will copy it, and I will put in the new browser. So let's see. Okay, not bad. So now you have the time to do everything to the end. So do everything in the end. You have examples. You have examples in the Schoolabby of query and with a web page. So use your imagination, have fun, use your humor. So it should not be very studical. So just enjoy your e-learning. And when you are ready, again, if you made some changes, don't forget to publish. So you change here something, publish. Change, new changes, publish. Otherwise, I will not see the last version of your work. So when are you ready? So when you will decide to finish your e-learning, again, publish. So copy this link and now put to the Schoolabby. If the Schoolabby is not working today, send it via email. So I hope it was understandable. Now I wish you success, and I will be waiting your very interesting and nice web pages. Have a good day.